Now let's go into the booking screen. Now you access the booking screen from the menu to the left, you'll see bookings. Now what this shows you is all the appointments that need to be set up with a technician. For example, if an all-inclusive package was ordered, a 3D scan would have been required and a photography would have been required, which will show up in this booking screen. Now first, let's take a look at the different color codes. There's scheduled. What scheduled means is that a technician was assigned to that appointment. There's pending. That means that a service order was created, an appointment was created, but a technician was not yet appointed to that appointment. There's past due, meaning simply it's past due and it hasn't been completed by the technician, or it wasn't assigned to a technician. And then there's finally not confirmed. Not confirmed is when a technician hasn't confirmed that they are going to be on site. Now, you can click on any one of the days to see that day in detail. You'll see all the different appointments, and in this scenario, you'll see the date, time, the location, the service order, who it was assigned to, or nobody if it was not assigned to anybody at all. I'm going to go on the 8th, and now you'll see the ones that are pending assignment, and then I'll go to the 9th, and you'll see the ones that are not confirmed, and then I'll go to the 10th. Now you can click on any one of these appointments. You'll see all the information required to get this assigned. You'll see the task number for this appointment. You'll see the durations. You'll see the ability to select a technician or reschedule this for a different date and time. You'll see all the subtasks that are required for this appointment, and by clicking on any of the subtasks, you can mark them as completed or not completed. Usually that's done by the technician, but I'm just showing you a way of accomplishing it. At the bottom, you'll see the service order. I'm going to go back. I accidentally swiped. You're going to see the service order. You'll be able to see the client, the customer service person, and you'll be able to click on those three bars to the right-hand side to send a message or call either the client or the customer service person. It's going to be, and if you click on the order itself, it will take you to the service order. I'm going to go back and I'm going to select a technician. So the problem we have here is no technician is available at 7 a.m. on the 10th to fulfill this order. Swiping right doesn't help. So we may need to reschedule this for a different time. So I'm going to reschedule it for, let's say, the Monday the 12th. And then I'm going to check to see if there's a technician available on Monday the 12th, and you'll notice that there's 2 technicians available on Monday the 12th at 8 a.m. You'll notice the hourly rates for each technician, and based on the type of technician, either contractor or our staffer, once you hit book, you'll see a select technician screen, and this technician is a contractor. So by default, it will automatically fill out all this information based on the time required for the job, any minimum travel charges, and you can enter special notes. Normally it's going to be a fixed cost, but you can set it up as hourly as well and set up the hourly rate in the pay amount. And that will be determined. This is of course an estimated rate because if the hourly can change. So I'm going to go back into selecting a technician, and now I'm going to select Aidan Salvi, and this is a staffer. So you will still see the hourly rate for the staffer, but you'll see the duration and the subtotals set up here for the staffer. Now they won't actually get paid, but it will help us to analyze the cost of each of our jobs. So we're going to go ahead and cancel that, and I'm going to select the staffer, set the job. Once the technician is selected, you'll be able to contact the technician or cancel the assignment by clicking those 3 bars. You'll be able to confirm the work order manually. Normally the technician would confirm it. And you'll also be able to reassign a new technician to this job. You'll see the total at the bottom of what we'll be paying this technician for completing this assignment. And at the bottom here, you'll see any messages that are sent to anyone. We're going to send a test message here to the client. I'm going to refresh the screen, and the message should show up here at the bottom, but it's not doing so right now. Let's close this. I'm going to update that, and you'll now notice that the appointment has been moved from the 10th to the 12th, and it's requiring confirmation by the technician. We can also click List to see the entire list of appointments, and then finally filter. Filter by all, filter by a location, filter by a technician, filter by certain tasks, filter by certain task sets, certain tasks, certain services, and certain service categories. All these filters can be applied to the booking calendar. Now this concludes the booking calendar. So to reiterate, anywhere that there is a pending dot, that needs to be assigned to a technician as soon as possible. Anywhere there is a not confirmed, that needs to be verified that the technician understands that they're going to be completing a job on that day and complete it. So this is why the booking calendar is extremely important, to make sure that we don't have any past due appointments.